Hi folks, this is another USkills digital innovation quick tutorial. Just going to look at how to rotate things, and I'm just going to borrow this title, so Option or Alt, drag down to get a copy, and we've got a rotate tool in the tool panel. We can just click on that and spin it round that way, or we can double click the tool and we get the rotate panel up, and it's got a preview button as well. So if we switch that on and put a degree in there, let's go for 30 degrees, we can go OK, and it gives us an accurate rotation. So let's undo that, Command Z or Control Z on a PC. Let's just do this again, double click the rotate tool, because this time I'm going to put 30 degrees in, and instead of going OK, I'm going to click copy. And that way we've got a copy of that rotation. Now you may remember that we can duplicate the last transformation we did by going Command D on the Mac, and you might find it's Control D on a PC. So I can then get that kind of effect just by repeating that rotation. So you may want to replay this video just to see how that was done. We can, while we're doing this, although it's not rotation, but we can, if we Option click and drag, if we add Shift in, you notice it keeps it straight then, or level. So once I've done that once, I can repeat that transformation by hitting the Command D or Control D on a PC, and that will then duplicate those items. Let's undo that. Hopefully that was clear for rotation and duplicating.